Shipping a piano overseas isn't just about moving a big item, it's about moving something valuable, delicate, and deeply personal. Whether it's a baby grand, an upright, or a concert piano, this is an instrument that deserves expert care. At SDC International Shipping, we specialize in transporting fragile, high-value items like pianos to destinations around the world. In this video, we'll walk you through how we safely prepare, crate, and ship a piano internationally, step by step. Pianos are unique. They're large, heavy, and fragile all at once. They often weigh hundreds of pounds, but inside, they're filled with tension-sensitive strings, felt-covered hammers, and wooden soundboards that can warp or crack from mishandling or exposure to humidity. That's why this type of move requires more than just strength. It requires precision, protection, and planning. We begin by preparing your piano for transport. In most cases, our professional moving crew will carefully disassemble specific parts, such as the legs, pedals, and music stand. This reduces stress on the piano's structure and allows for safer packing. Each piece is then individually wrapped in thick moving blankets, foam, and plastic wrap to guard against shock, scratches, and dust. Next comes crating. At SDC, we build a custom wooden crate designed specifically for your piano's dimensions and weight. This crate is essential for keeping the piano stable during its journey. Inside, we secure the instrument using heavy-duty straps and padded supports. This keeps the piano from shifting inside the crate and adds a buffer against movement, moisture, and bumps during transit. For ocean shipments, we may include a vapor barrier or desiccant packs to protect from humidity and salt air. Once crated, your piano is ready to ship. We offer both air freight and sea freight options, depending on your destination, timing, and budget. Most clients choose sea freight for cost savings, especially for full-size pianos. Air freight is faster and may be ideal for urgent relocations, but it's more expensive. Now let's talk about customs. International piano shipping includes customs paperwork that must be completed correctly to avoid delays. Our team prepares all the necessary documentation, including the bill of lading, a detailed packing list, and any required country-specific forms. If your piano is being imported permanently, we'll help ensure it complies with the local import rules. If it's temporary, for a tour or event, we'll arrange documentation for re-export later. At your destination, we coordinate final delivery. Whether your piano is going to a private residence, a music hall, or a studio, our team ensures it's handled with the same level of care it received at pickup. We also offer white glove delivery service, where we not only bring the piano into your new space, but also reassemble it properly. All you need to do is schedule a tuning afterward, and it's ready to play again. Throughout the entire process, you'll have a dedicated relocation specialist assigned to your move. This person is your main point of contact and will keep you updated at every stage, from pickup to delivery. That means you won't be left guessing, and you'll always have someone to call if you have questions or need support. Shipping a piano internationally is a specialized task, and SDC International Shipping is one of the few companies with the experience and equipment to do it right. We've helped families, musicians, schools, and collectors move their pianos safely across borders for years. If you're ready to ship a piano overseas, visit www.sdcinternationalshipping.com or call 877-339-0267. Speak with a piano shipping expert today. We'll take care of the details, so you can focus on the music.